Hey guys, topping up your Skrill wallet with credit or debit card is extremely simple. Here's the full guide. Open Skrill, go to deposit, and choose credit or debit card. Skrill accepts Visa and MasterCard in most countries. Add your card details, number, expiry date, and CVV. Then choose the amount you want to deposit. Before confirming, Skrill will show you the deposit fee, which is usually around 1% to 2.5%, depending on your region and card type. Once you confirm, the funds appear in your Skrill balance instantly. If it's your first time adding a card, Skrill may ask for verification. This may be a small temporary charge you have to confirm, or a document showing the card belongs to you. Pro tip: avoid using credit cards that classify Skrill as a quote unquote cash advance. This adds extra bank fees. The debit cards are usually cheaper and safer. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. A lot of YouTubers recommend Shopify or WordPress, but for solopreneurs and digital creators in 2026, Gumroad, the most efficient system is Gumroad, Product Hub, Zapier, or Make, email automation, Stripe, and PayPal for payment method, right? How this architects your income. Gumroad turns every lead and every piece of content into potential recurring revenue automatically. Example system: someone watches your video, downloads your free template on Gumroad. Zapier sends them to your email list. Automated emails lead them to your paid product. Payments flow through Stripe. Zapier tags high intent users for future upsells. Pro hack: triple stack monetization. With each product, stack digital product, upsell, template, script pack, advanced version, subscription, weekly insights, monthly templates. Okay, this is how creators make 2,000 to 10,000 a month with small audiences. So this is an income architecture: acquire, automate, monetization, not random tool, not random tool hopping. If you apply these 3-tool sequence consistently for 90 days, you will have fully functioning income system instead of a guessing game. So don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.